Hi guys, this is my new laptop which I got yesterday, and this is from HP, and the model of this laptop is HP Pavilion 15cc 129TX, and I got this bag for free as a goodie, and this has been already been unboxed for demo purpose. So let's start opening the bag and we'll see what it has got inside. So let's get started guys. I bought this laptop from an offline shop for 57,000 rupees after deducting all the offers. So this is the laptop guys, and this is in mineral silver color, and this is also available in blue color as well. The screen they have provided is the 15.6-inch full HD LED anti-glare display, which is not reflective as per my observation, and the viewing angles are also very good. So let's power up the device guys, and it comes with Windows 10 OS, and it is powered by Intel's i5 8th generation processor, and the RAM provided is 8 GB, which is of DDR4, and it has got 2 slots, and you can expand till 16 GB, and it comes with 1 TB of hard drive and 8 GB of SSD, which is only available for booting purpose, that is SSD, and which is not expandable. It also comes with entry level NVIDIA graphic card, which is of 2 GB. It weighs around 2.2 kilograms. It's good to see that the keyboards are backlit, because most of the other laptops in this price range are gonna skimp on this feature. The keyboards and the trackpads are metal brushed, so it feels very sturdy. The fit and finish of this laptop is very good. It comes with 2 USB ports and 1 USB Type-C port and 1 HDMI port and a 3-in-1 card reader. And it also has 3.5mm jack, and also comes with a DVD drive and a card reader. It also supports fast charging, which can charge your laptop from 0 to 90% in just 90 minutes. This Dell laptop also comes with the same configuration as HP, but the only difference is it comes with the AMD Radeon 300 graphic card, which is little underpowered when compared to the NVIDIA 940MX graphic card. This Acer Aspire 5 also comes with the same configuration as HP, but the build quality of this laptop is not up to the mark, and the handheld feel was not good, so I didn't feel like buying this.